Welcome to your favorite channel. Today we are going to talk about the top 10 reliable platforms to stake coins and earn passive income. You can't afford to miss any, so watch and enjoy to the end. Kindly subscribe to this channel and click the bell button for more updates. Number 1. Binance. The Binance Exchange is a leading cryptocurrency exchange founded in 2017 in Hong Kong. It features a strong focus on altcoin trading. Binance offers crypto-to-crypto trading in more than 500 cryptocurrencies and virtual tokens, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and its own token Binance Coin. In 2018, it moved its company headquarters to Malta, Europe, in response to China's strict regulations on crypto exchange businesses. To start trading, users have to complete the necessary KYC requirements. Upon successful trading account creation, users can add cryptocurrency funds to their public wallet address provided by Binance to start trading. Binance supports staking for several coins, plus for each coin, rewards are typically calculated daily and paid monthly, and the crypto exchange charges zero fees for staking. Just a few months ago, Binance Staking launched its first high-yield staking offer, which was a promotion that gave crypto enthusiasts a chance to earn up to 37.49% APY by staking ADA, DOT, TRX, EOS, and Cake. Number 2. Coinbase. Coinbase Global is an American company that operates a cryptocurrency exchange platform. Coinbase operates remote first and lacks an official physical headquarters. It was founded on 20th of June 2012. Coinbase is a well-known cryptocurrency exchange that makes it easy to buy, sell, and exchange cryptocurrency. Coinbase makes buying Bitcoin as easy as buying a stock through an online brokerage. Coinbase offers a secure way to invest and trade with cryptocurrencies. Staking on Coinbase is good because of security. Your funds are safe when compared to other exchange platforms. Staking is a process of actively participating in transaction validation, similar to mining on a proof-of-stake POS blockchain. You can earn via the main Coinbase app or website. Eligible users can stake Tezos, Cosmos, or ETH and earn as much as 5% interest depending on the type of asset being staked as of June 2021. Number 3. Kucoin. Kucoin is a global cryptocurrency exchange that offers a variety of features and trading options. From its native token to the trading bot, this guide has covered it all for beginners. It was founded in September 2017. It provides a number of trading options to its over 6 million users. These include spot, margin futures, and P2P trading, along with lending and staking. Kucoin claims to offer the most advanced level of security and a selection of nearly 400 cryptocurrencies. Despite its variety of features, it is a beginner-friendly exchange with a sleek and easy-to-use interface. Staking tokens on Kucoin is a great way to earn passive income, as you also understand that Kucoin offers you many exciting advantages to help you earn handsome rewards. The soft staking program is a great way to make a passive income without worrying about the locking period. Bottom line, you can stake on Kucoin to earn daily rewards. Number 4. KRAKEN. KRAKEN is a United States-based cryptocurrency exchange and bank, founded in 2011. The exchange provides trading between cryptocurrency and fiat currencies and provides price information to Bloomberg Terminal. CoinMarketCap takes a deep dive into KRAKEN, one of the most popular crypto exchanges that makes it easier for crypto beginners to start investing and trading through its simple and smooth user interface. When it comes to staking, KRAKEN is the best choice for those in search of the highest rewards. Plus, the exchange offers staking for more assets than Coinbase, and it has a constant payout rate twice a week across all cryptocurrencies. Staking Polkadot and Kusama could earn you up to 12%. Number 5. POLONIEX. POLONIEX is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows for the buying or selling of digital assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tron, and other altcoins. The exchange guarantees that users experience safety and security while transacting. As such, POLONIEX ensures that the vast majority of customer deposits are stored offline in air-gapped cold storage. This minimizes risk and exposure to hackers and other threats online. Founded in early 2013, POLONIEX emerged as an important and polarizing name in the world of digital assets exchanges, largely for its relationship with users and transaction security. With POLONIEX staking, customers earn rewards while maintaining the flexibility to trade, deposit, and withdraw at all times. Along with this flexibility, customers can continue to earn staking rewards right up to the moment they decide to trade their funds into a different asset. You can earn between 8 to 10% annually staking on POLONIEX. Number 6. Figment Networks. Figment Network is a Canadian-based blockchain infrastructure and crypto staking provider. Figment develops back-end systems and infrastructure that provide yields on tokens for POS blockchains. Infrastructure validators like Figment are responsible for checking the validity of transactions and maintaining the sustainability of several blockchain networks. The added benefit of proof of stake does not require extensive hardware. It reduces energy usage by 99.95% compared to proof of work. Number 7. DOKIA Capital. DOKIA Capital is one of the biggest validators in the POS blockchain space. They claim to be reliable, professional, and drama-free, and operate a professional infrastructure fit for institutional staking and intuitive tools designed for token holders. DOKIA Capital Staking Dashboard helps you manage your delegations and rewards. The dashboard provides you with real-time analytics and all the information you need in order to make informed decisions. P2P Validator. P2P Validator provides access to secure, non-custodial staking and network validation. They claim to provide comprehensive due diligence of digital assets and offer premium staking opportunities, securing more than $3 billion USD equivalent. P2P Validator helps investors compound their cryptocurrency investments through secure staking. They claim to be among 3 SNARK producers for the last 3 epochs. Notably, P2P has a slew of upcoming contests and rewards for users. For example, there is a stake drop from the Marlin network scheduled for this month. The event will allow you to delegate your XTZ, Atom, DOT, Iris with P2P Validator and receive Pawn token rewards for your efforts. Number 9. Garda Wallet. Garda Wallet is a leading non-custodial multi-platform and decentralized wallet for cryptocurrency assets. Users can securely send or receive, manage, store, exchange, and even stake coins from a variety of blockchains, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Binance Coin. Garda Wallet is a legitimate piece of cryptocurrency wallet software. The company behind this product has been working in the cryptocurrency space since 2017. It supports hundreds of digital assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether, and also allows its users to be in full control of their private keys, ensuring peace of mind from potential hack attacks that mean your holdings will be safe. Number 10. MyContainer. MyContainer OU is a company registered in Estonia and is supported by the Ministry of Economic Affairs and Communication. It is an automatic and masternode staking platform for users to generate profits in the form of tokens. It supports a variety of proof-of-stake coins to stake in an easy and safe manner. The main outstanding feature of this platform is the possibility to earn rewards from staking multiple crypto assets in one single place. However, it also offers other ways of getting passive income from cryptocurrencies and other benefits, including saving on coin transfers thanks to built-in exchange, earning with community initiatives by assisting in developing the platform, being informed about giveaways organized by other websites and participating in them, getting the latest insights into the world of crypto and learning a lot in this sphere. MyContainer is seen as a piggy bank that will make your money work for you. This is the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to this channel and click the bell button to keep you updated on our future videos.